Cleaning. Cleaning the coffee machine is a really important part of making sure that every cup of coffee we serve is a great one. First up, cleaning cloths. Red is for dairy milk, yellow is alternative milk, and blue is for general surfaces. To clean the portafilter, knock out any leftover coffee and brush it out. Next, remove the basket to give it a clean. Empty the portafilter to a pot along with the removed basket. Tip in hot water until the metal part of the portafilter inside is covered but not the black handle. Grab a black brush tool. Use the scoop on the other end to add 1 scoop of cleaning powder. Leave it to soak for about 15 minutes whilst you're cleaning the rest of the coffee machine. First, clean the group head. Flush it to get rid of any grounds. Brush the shower screen and then flush it again. Next, we'll back flush it. Phase 1 is to grab the blind basket and scoop. Insert the blind basket and put 1 scoop of cleaning powder in. Lock the portafilter into the group head. For back flushing, we're going to press the button and run it for 10 seconds. Switch it off and let it sit there for another 10 seconds, and repeat the process 5 times. Take the portafilter off and check the water's clear. And if it's not, repeat the process. Once the water is clear, rinse it under the group head to get rid of any residual powder. Phase 2 of this process is to pop the portafilter back in and repeat the blind basket process above with just hot water 5 times. And that's it. Back flushing is done. Go through this process at the end of each day. However, after a busy rush, it's worth giving the machine a quick back flush with just hot water. So just follow the second phase from this process, which is doing it with hot water only, and you'll only need to do this 3 times. This will get rid of any oils that might have accumulated during a busy rush. The next thing to do at the end of each shift is to clean the steam wand and ensure there's no milk residue. To do this, grab a pot and fill it with hot water. If your steam wand is really dried up, add in a scoop of powder too. Dunk the steam wand inside and open the steam wand gently and let it run. And then just leave it to soak for around 10 to 15 minutes. After that, remove the steam wand from the jug and give it a clean with a cloth and purge the steam wand. And that's it, your steam wand's now clean. Now your portafilter will have finished soaking, so empty the pot and clean it under hot running water inside and out. It'll need to be wiped as well, and that's very important. After cleaning, you'll want to make sure that your portafilter and basket are thoroughly dry. And then just pop the basket back in and that's it. Your portafilter is now clean. Next up, we'll clean the drip tray. To clean this, take it off and bring it to the sink. Remove the grills and clean the main body of the drip tray. It's vital there are no coffee debris left which could attract mould. Do the same with the drip tray grills too, and once they're clean, set them aside to drain. At the end, dry it off with some blue roll. Put it back together and refit it. Lastly, for the coffee machine, spray some cleaning fluid onto the blue roll and give the outer surfaces of the machine a clean. Remember, it'll be hot and it may leave some streaks. If so, give it a quick dry with some blue roll at the end. Finally, the knock box. Empty this into a bin, and again, we need to make sure this is spotless so it doesn't start to smell and attract mould. So pop it in the sink and clean it well. Once done, dry it off and insert it back where you found it. That may sound like a lot, but it's actually pretty quick to do once you get the hang of it. And that's it. A perfect clean of our new machines.